Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you're sanitizing. I hope you're keeping your social distance, you're staying home, whatever the case might be. So today I'm going to be doing a video on, look at this chap's trying to embarrass me. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this gorgeous look. So if that's something you'd like to see, of course stick around for that. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button before we start this video, and remember to watch this video to the end so that you can help me increase my watch time. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to today's video. So I'm starting off with 1 day old hair. I washed my hair yesterday evening, so I'm not going to be moisturizing my hair. Yeah, so for the tools you're going to need, I'm going to be using hair bands. I'm going to be using a brush, so you can get any brush that works on your hair. I'm going to be using clips to separate my hair, and then I'm going to be using a white tooth comb to detangle, and then I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to pat my hair. Alright, and then for the gel I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel, and this is the green one. It's the olive oil Eco Styler gel. I prefer this one. I have used the clear one. I didn't like it so much, so this works for me best. Yeah, so let's start off with the styling. So I'm going to be applying gel section by section. So first of all, I'll pat with my hands real quick, and then I'll use the comb to define the pattern. My scalp is really painful, guys. If anyone knows a remedy for a painful scalp, please give me a suggestion on the comments, because I've always had a painful scalp. Even when I used to go to the salon, or even when I was younger, I used to struggle so much with pain, and then the salonist would say I'm faking it, or I'm pretending that my scalp is so painful and sore. I don't know why. Sometimes it gets better, sometimes it gets
So
worse.
at this point I decided to do a voiceover so that this can be quick. So here I am patting my hair, and I'm going to be doing it in sections. So I'm starting off with the back part, and as you can see, my hair is really thick and it's so difficult to detangle it. And once I detangle it, like tangles again. But we're going to make this work. So I am done separating that section. So I'm going to spray water on it just to make it soft for detangling. And I'm going to be detangling using two methods. First, I'm going to be using the finger detangling method, and then second, I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb. So here I'm just making sure that the hair is well moisturized with that water to make it easy for me to detangle. So here I got confused, and instead of detangling first, I applied the gel. But I'm going to apply the gel and then go ahead to detangle. Yeah, so I'm applying the gel from the roots of the hair, going all the way to the ends of the hair. Now, while using the wide tooth comb, make sure that you start from the ends of the hair all the way to the roots, to make sure that you do not break your hair. Or even if it breaks, it won't be as much as if you started from the roots to the ends. So I am applying more gel to that section to make sure that the hair completely lies flat, and then I'm going to go ahead with the brush and flatten it out, make sure that there are no tangles in there, and then secure that with a hairband. Right, now that you've gotten a glimpse of what we are doing here, I'm going to do this one more time. First step is to section. So I'm doing this for the second part of my hair, and I am dividing the hair with my hands, and then I threw the comb because it was too painful for me. Then I put away the other part that I'm not working with, and I clip that with a clip, or you can do it with a hairband, whatever. Then for the section that I have separated, I'm going to moisturize that with water. Make sure that it's completely soaked with water. Not soaked, but very moisturized with water. And then I should now finger detangle it. Yes, thank you. Then I finger detangle it, and then go in with the wide tooth comb to make sure that there are no tangles in there. And then the third step is now to apply the gel. And then after applying the gel, I'm going to flatten the hair with a brush and then secure it with a hairband. Boom. So let's watch this unravel, right? So I just realized that I did not apply the gel on the ends of the first section, but I'm going to do that once I am done. So you see what I was telling you before, this section is completely coated with the gel, but the other section, the ends are still very kinky. I do not even know why my hands didn't feel that. Yeah. Since I want the two sections to be together, I am removing the hairband from the first section, flattening that hair out with a brush, and then I'm going to secure the both sections with the same hairband that I used.
I'm pulling my hair up so that I can settle on where I want my band to be, my extension to be placed, and I'm thinking of having it here, like not at the bottom. No, I do not want to do like a low slicked extension band, whatever. I want to do it like at the center, at the middle. Yeah. So after that is done, take my hair tie and secure it.
So to keep that hair away from interfering with the other section, I'm doing a chunky twist. You already know what I'm going to be doing with this remaining section, so let's just skip to the front part. Now for the front part, you need to know how you're gonna style it. Are you going to have a side part? Are you going to have a mid part? I do not like to do either, so I was going for a little sort of a mid part so that I can frame my face, but it didn't quite work out. I do not know, I think I wasn't very careful, but yeah. So after I have gelled that hair down completely, I'm going to secure it with the hairband as I did before, and then now we move to laying of edges. So for the puff, I'm going to be braiding it, and then I wrap the hair around it like this, and then secure it with a bobby pin. This happens if you have long hair. If you have long hair, you're going to struggle with this, but if your hair is a bit short, this is not going to be a problem for you, because you can just wrap your hair in like a little bun, and that is it. So on to laying of edges. I've already actually done that. If I wasn't, the video was going to be too long, so I did this off camera. Then I'm going to tie the hair with a satin scarf so that everything can set and dry, and then I'm going to come back and show you the final look.
So I am back, guys, and I'm going to be showing you how my hair looks. I've done my makeup. Yeah, the earrings I'm rocking. If you want them, you can leave me a comment or DM me on Instagram at Loise. I'm actually selling them. So let's see how the situation is up here. I'm not sure if the gel has completely dried, but we're going to work with what we have. So I'm going to fix this line here because I applied my makeup when I had the headscarf on. I'm just going to use this Maybelline powder to blend the makeup into my hairline. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's Impression Kinky by a brand called Olivia. Yeah. I actually bought this braid very randomly, and I did braid what are they called? Yasuba locks, and they're really pretty. Focus. So I'm not going to use the hair like this in its original form. That would look horrendous. So I'm going to separate the strands and make it look like Mali braid. So it's really simple, just like they do with the Afro Kinky. You just separate the hairs like this. So that's how it looks. Now I'm going to attach a rubber band at the middle and then attach it to my head. Okay. Do I do one or two? I should do two. Okay. So I've decided to do it in two parts. So I'm going to take this, attach the rubber band. Wow, okay. What is happening? Okay, let's do that again. Touch the rubber band. Great. And then touch it to my band. So this one I'm going to place at the bottom, and then the rest I'm going to place at the top. You see what I've done? Like, if you take the first section and place it on the front and then the other one at the back, it's easier for you to cover the band, because if you place all of it together and you have like a thick band, it's gonna be difficult. So from here, just playing around with the hair, wrapping some around the hair, the band, just to cover these spaces. is a final look, you guys. I'm glad I used this hair for something else. I didn't, throw it away. If you do try this hairstyle, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram at Loise, and also follow me. Yeah, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button already and see this cute little face, right? So yeah, until next time, choose kindness and be safe. Bye.